Today we've come to Level X in Middlesbrough to go bowling, and there's crazy golf, there's electric go-karts, there's loads of games machines, all sorts in here. This is the bowling alley, so we're going to go bowling first. Looks good. Pool tables, bar to have a drink, food, loads of different games and machines, all sorts of arcade machines. Here we are bowling. Get the sides put up if you want for kids. And upstairs is the golf and the electric go-karts. They look quite fast as well, the go-karts, so it looks good fun. The golf course, 10 holes. All different themes, pool table, basketball, surfing, looks good. And there's the go-karts, they look quite fast. But if there's a group here to all have a race. Middlesbrough, where there used to be TJ Hughes' shop and now it's Level X. So for good family fun, I would definitely recommend coming here. Prices aren't too bad either. £15 for adult for the bowling and the golf.